Auto Snap channel. Today we're diving into something truly spectacular, the new 2025 Bugatti V16 Tourbillon. This car represents an evolution in automotive performance, technology, and design, reimagining the boundaries of luxury and power with an approach only Bugatti could deliver. Crafted with the hallmark Bugatti artistry, this machine combines cutting-edge technology with the classic charisma of Bugatti's heritage. For those who thought the hypercar world couldn't get any more thrilling, the V16 Tourbillon proves otherwise. Under the hood, Bugatti has outdone itself, packing a monster V16 engine. This is a rarity in today's automotive landscape where downsizing is the trend. With the V16, Bugatti celebrates pure, unfiltered power, delivering over 1,800 horsepower that catapults this car into unprecedented performance territory. Reports suggest a 0 to 60 mph time in under 2 seconds and a top speed that exceeds 300 mph, positioning the Tourbillon as one of the fastest production cars on the planet. Bugatti's advanced quad turbocharging system and meticulously engineered cooling allow the V16 to harness this immense power with stability, precision, and efficiency, even at blistering speeds. The V16 Tourbillon is built on an advanced, lightweight carbon fiber structure that prioritizes agility and performance without compromising luxury. This lightweight chassis is complemented by a revised suspension system designed to handle both high-speed stability and precise cornering. Bugatti has integrated active aerodynamics that adapt to the car's speed and driving conditions, making the Tourbillon equally comfortable on both winding mountain roads and open highways. This smart aerodynamic system, combined with cutting-edge braking technology, ensures the V16 Tourbillon delivers exceptional handling and braking performance, making it as agile as it is fast. Inside, the V16 Tourbillon is as opulent as you'd expect. Bugatti combines high-end materials like fine leather, brushed aluminum, and carbon fiber to create a cabin that feels more like a high-tech cockpit. The center console and dashboard are dominated by a high-definition digital display that gives the driver real-time performance data, navigation, and vehicle diagnostics. Bugatti also includes customizable ambient lighting, adding a personal touch that enhances the driving experience. The Tourbillon's seats are hand-stitched, contoured for maximum comfort, and reinforced with carbon fiber, creating a perfect balance between luxury and performance. This Bugatti doesn't just rely on its powerful engine to make a statement. Its design is breathtaking, featuring an ultra-sleek silhouette with aerodynamically optimized curves. The V16 Tourbillon's signature Bugatti grille is now even more pronounced, framed by thin, piercing LED headlights that enhance its aggressive stance. Bugatti's engineers focused on reducing drag and maximizing downforce, resulting in a design that's both functional and visually stunning. Every detail, from the large rear diffuser to the retractable spoiler, is carefully crafted to enhance performance and aesthetic appeal. The Tourbillon's custom-designed alloy wheels add to its distinctive look, capturing the spirit of Bugatti's racing legacy. With a name like Tourbillon, this car takes inspiration from the world of luxury timepieces, and Bugatti has included some elements that reflect that. The car features unique dials and instruments inspired by the precision of Swiss watchmaking, adding an extra layer of refinement to its character. This fusion of automotive and horological craftsmanship creates a unique sense of sophistication, making the V16 Tourbillon more than just a hypercar, it's a work of art. Only a select few will ever experience the V16 Tourbillon firsthand, as Bugatti plans an ultra-limited production run. This exclusivity, combined with its groundbreaking features, means the Tourbillon is bound to become a collector's masterpiece. Bugatti aims to provide buyers with a personalized experience, allowing them to customize colors, materials, and unique details, ensuring each V16 Tourbillon is as unique as its owner. This level of customization extends to Bugatti's concierge services, which cater to every aspect of the ownership experience, offering a level of luxury few brands can match. The 2025 Bugatti V16 Tourbillon represents the pinnacle of what's possible in the automotive world. It's a symbol of engineering prowess, luxury, and performance all in one. Bugatti has crafted a hypercar that's not just fast, but an iconic blend of heritage and futuristic innovation. With its powerful V16 engine, bespoke craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology, the V16 Tourbillon is sure to leave a lasting legacy in the world of hypercars. If you're captivated by the idea of automotive perfection, the V16 Tourbillon will redefine your expectations. Thanks for watching Car Updater. If you're as intrigued as we are by the 2025 Bugatti V16 Tourbillon, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on the world's most exceptional cars.